we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Preciva 8000mAh jump starter. Consists of the following features. Powerful and versatile emergency booster, equipped with a true 1000 amp peak current. This jump starter reliably ignites 12-volt batteries in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It also integrates a 400-lumen LED emergency light with 3 modes, flashlight, SOS, strobe, for added safety in emergencies. Smart air compressor with auto stop, features a precise, low noise, approximate 80 decibels, inflator that reaches up to 150 psi. The intelligent display shows real-time and target pressure in 4 units, psi, bar, kPa, kilogram per square centimeter, and stops automatically when the preset value is reached. All-in-one power and inflation kit, combines a jump starter, air compressor, portable power bank, and tire pressure monitor. With 5 nozzles, it inflates cars, motorcycles, bikes, balls and more, handling 10+ tasks in one compact device. Long-lasting and fast recharging, powered by an 8000 mAh lithium polymer battery, it jump-starts vehicles up to 80 times on a full charge. Quickly inflates a car tire to 30 psi in under 2 minutes and can inflate 5 to 6 tires per charge. Ultra-bright light and clear display. The 400-lumen LED is 300% brighter than standard lights and offers 3 lighting modes. An easy-read screen displays real-time data during jumping and inflation for safe, convenient operation. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.